Choosing the right web hosting provider is one of the most important decisions you'll make when building a successful website. A reliable hosting service keeps your website running smoothly, loading quickly, and staying online without any interruptions. So in today's video, we're going to be comparing two very popular hosting platforms, Cloudways and Hostinger. Both providers offer amazing features, but they are designed for different types of users based on technical experience, website goals, and budget, of course. We are going to cover an overview of each provider, key features, pros and cons, and how to get signed up. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm also going to show you how you can get the best price possible on your hosting plan so you can save money while getting top tier performance and features. Let's dive in. Let's start off with an overview of Cloudways. Cloudways is a cloud hosting platform designed for high performance hosting with flexibility and scalability. Instead of using a traditional web hosting model, Cloudways actually manages cloud hosting, allowing you to choose cloud infrastructure providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, and more. Cloudways really focuses on customization and resource management, making it ideal for developers, agencies, and businesses that really expect high traffic or need scalable hosting. The cool part about it is you only pay for the resources that you use, which makes this platform cost-effective for websites with changing traffic levels. The platform includes powerful tools like server monitoring, dedicated firewalls, automated backups, and one-click app installation for platforms like WordPress and Magento. Now, let's dive into what Hostinger is. Hostinger is known for affordable web hosting with a focus of ease of use and beginner-friendly features. It's an excellent option for personal websites, blogs, small businesses, and new entrepreneurs looking for an easy and budget-friendly hosting experience. With simple hosting plans, a user-friendly control panel, and one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger makes it super easy to set up and manage your website, even if you have zero technical experience. Hostinger's global network of servers ensures fast loading speeds for visitors from different regions. You also get 24/7 live support, which provides instant help whenever you need. Let's go ahead and dive into the key features of each, starting off with Cloudways. First off, managed cloud hosting. Cloudways uses a managed cloud hosting model, which allows you to choose cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, and Vultr. Advanced server monitoring. Built-in server monitoring tools provides real-time data about your website's performance. You can track metrics like server response times, memory usage, and CPU consumption to ensure smooth operation. Dedicated firewalls and security. Cloudways takes security very seriously by providing dedicated firewalls, two-factor authentication, and automatic malware scans. Free SSL certificates. Cloudways also includes free SSL certificates, which ensures secure data transfer on your website. Automated backups. With automated backups, you can schedule data backups based on your website's needs. This feature ensures you can quickly restore your site in case of any issues. One-click app installation. You can deploy popular apps like WordPress, Magento, and so many more with just one click. This really makes Cloudways suitable for users with technical experience looking to customize their site fully. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Cloudways offers pay-as-you-go pricing, meaning that you only pay for the resources that you use. This can be more cost-effective than traditional flat-rate hosting plans for businesses with varying traffic levels. Now let's go into Hostinger's key features. Affordable hosting plans. Hostinger is one of the most budget-friendly hosting providers, which makes it perfect for small businesses, personal websites, and entrepreneurs just starting out. Easy website management. Hostinger's control panel is designed for ease of use. It really does simplify tasks like managing domains, installing WordPress, and uploading files, even if you have no prior website experience. Global server network. Hostinger operates a global network of servers, ensuring that your website loads quickly regardless of where your visitors are located. One-click WordPress installation. Launching a WordPress site is effortless with Hostinger's one-click installation tool, which really makes the platform super beginner friendly. Free domain and SSL certificate. Many of Hostinger's hosting plans include free domain names and SSL certificates, which reduces extra costs while keeping your website secure and professional looking. 24/7 live chat support. Hostinger's 24/7 live chat support ensures that you always have the ability to reach out for help when you need it. However, they do not offer phone support, which could be a limitation for some users who really do like to talk to people over the phone. Now, let's move on to some of the pros and cons, starting off with the pros of Cloudways. Cloudways excels when it comes to customization, scalability, and performance. Its pay-as-you-go pricing ensures that you only pay for what you use, which really can save money for websites with fluctuating traffic. You also get high performance cloud hosting through leading providers like Google Cloud, AWS, which really does ensure maximum reliability and speed. Their advanced tools such as automated backups, server monitoring, and built-in security features make managing your site so much easier. Now let's go over some of the cons of Cloudways. Cloudways may be too complex for beginners due to its tech-heavy interface and custom server management. If you're looking for an easy all-in-one hosting experience, Cloudways might feel a bit overwhelming. Customer support is also primary live chat based with no phone support, so that might be another drawback. Now let's go over Hostinger's pros. Hostinger stands out for its affordable plan and user-friendly features. Beginners will appreciate the easy setup process and one-click WordPress installation and intuitive control panel. The free SSL certificates and domain names add even more value. Now, some of the cons. However, Hostinger lacks advanced features for developers and doesn't offer phone support, which could be limiting for businesses requiring in-depth technical assistance. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for advanced performance, scalability, and complete customization, Cloudways is an amazing choice, especially if you have experience managing websites or expect your site to grow quickly. On the other hand, if you want something affordable, beginner-friendly, and easy to manage, Hostinger is the perfect place for small blogs, small businesses, and anyone just starting their website journey. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing options for each and how to get the best price possible. Let's start off with Cloudways. If you want to check them out, I did leave the link in the description for you. So go ahead and click on that. We'll go ahead and check out the plans. So as you can see, you can choose between the different providers like I mentioned. So starting off with DigitalOcean, as you can see, prices start at just $14 depending on the RAM that you need as well as the storage and the bandwidth. So again, it really does depend, and like I mentioned, it does depend on how much you use month by month. So here you can see a couple of different options like Vultr, AWS, Google Cloud, and all of the different pricing. So even with DigitalOcean, they have a premium and standard. So if you want to take a look at that as well. So we'll kind of go through some of the pricing. So with DigitalOcean, if you need 1 gigabyte of RAM, 1 core processor, 25 gigabytes of storage, and 1 terabyte of bandwidth, that just starts at $11 a month. If we move up to the highest, you can see if you need 192 gigabytes of RAM, 32 core processor, and over 3,000 gigabytes of storage and 12 terabytes of bandwidth, here you can see that is $1,056 per month. And then if you move over to Google Cloud, you can see if you need the lowest plan, that starts at $37.45 per month. And then this comes with 1.75 gigabytes of RAM, 1 core processor, 20 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of bandwidth. But again, as you move down and need more storage, RAM, bandwidth, the price does increase. But again, you only pay for what you use, which is amazing. Cloudways does have a free 3-day trial, so you can try it without even putting a credit card down. What is also included is free migration, built-in firewall, which is new, a cloud provider, free Object Cache Pro, 24/7 support, and free SSL certificates, kind of like we mentioned in the key features. So if you want to check out Cloudways and get the best price possible, go ahead and click our exclusive link in the description. Now, if you want to go ahead and check out Hostinger, I also left that link in the description for you. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page, and we'll go ahead and click start now. Here you can see they have a couple of different options here. So starting off with the premium plan, this is 80% off right now, and this starts at $249 per month. Now, moving on to the business plan, you can get 75% off. This is starting at just $349 per month plus 2 months free. So this business plan also is the most popular. The last plan is a cloud startup plan. With this plan, you get 70% off right now, and that starts at just $759 per month. So as you can see, there is an option for whatever it is that you need. The amazing thing about Hostinger too is there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk-free. Now, I'm going to show you how to save even more on top of this discounted price. So let's go ahead and choose the business plan. From here, you can choose the term, and the longer the term, the more you save. We'll stick with that 48 months. What you're going to do now to save even more is type in my first website at checkout and click apply, and it will give you even bigger of a deal. Again, to get the best price possible, make sure you click our exclusive links in the description. I hope this comparison helped you better understand the difference between Cloudways and Hostinger. I know that the technology world can be overwhelming and it's hard to know what to focus on when building a website, but finding the right web hosting platform is such an amazing first step. Cloudways is perfect if you need that customization, scalability, and powerful cloud-based hosting, while Hostinger is a fantastic choice if you want affordable, easy-to-use hosting that's great for beginners and small businesses. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe and leave any comments below. I'd love to hear about your website journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.